Chennai Intelligent Power Management Company Eaton is showcasing advanced solutions for the harsh and hazardous areas at the Automation Expo South 2025 being held in Chennai from 6th to 8th March 2025. Eaton showcasing cutting-edge technologies including CCTV systems, signaling and alarms, lighting and power distribution control for process automation and safety featuring industry-leading products from MTL, CEAG and HEC portfolio. The unveiling of new products was led by Simon Mortison, Vice President and General Manager, EMEA Cruise and Hinds Beeline Oil and Gas Eaton Marine Country Head and Managing Director India Eaton and Philippos Jacob, Country Director India, Cruise Hindas and Beeline Oil and Gas Eaton, reinforcing Eaton commitment to delivering advanced locally manufactured solutions for critical industries.